Want to build AI apps faster? These 5 LangChain components can help. LangChain is a popular framework used to build AI-powered applications. It provides multiple components that help developers create chatbots, AI agents, automation tools, and smart workflows. Number 1. Models. Used to connect large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or open-source models directly into your application. Number 2. Prompts. Used to give instructions and guide the AI for better, more accurate outputs every time. Number 3. Tools. Used to connect APIs, search engines, calculators, databases, and external applications to your AI. Number 4. Memory. Helps AI remember previous chats, user context, and full conversation history. Number 5. Chains. Used to combine multiple steps into one smart, automated workflow. When combined together, these 5 components help create smart AI assistants, AI agents, customer support bots, search apps, and productivity tools. LangChain makes building AI applications faster, smarter, and easier. Which component is most useful to you? Comment below and follow for more AI content.